At the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to change eye color easily in Photoshop. At first, we need to brighten the eye color. Open a curve adjustment layer. Press Ctrl I to invert. Choose the brush tool. Soft round brush to be precise. Make the foreground color white and brush neatly. Now create a hue and saturation layer. Tick colorize and follow this process. Press Ctrl I to invert. Choose the soft round brush and brush again. Create another hue and saturation layer. Tick colorize and follow the same process. Double click on this. Now you can change the eye color to anything you want.